Welcome to Lesson 1, the beginning of our journey of exploration into Microsoft Azure. And if I asked you right now why you're interested in learning about Microsoft Azure, what would you say? What if I asked you to explain why someone might benefit from using a cloud platform like Microsoft Azure? Would you know how to answer that question? It's a fair question. And it's also an important question. If you don't really understand the reason for using cloud computing, you can't make the best choices in selecting and configuring the right cloud services. For that reason, we'll devote this lesson to answering the question, what is the benefit of using cloud computing? We'll start off by defining what we mean when we say cloud computing. And as you'll see, it's not as easy to define as you might think. We'll then talk about some of the features of the cloud that bring the true power of cloud computing to the forefront. We'll wrap up the lesson with a discussion of the different types of cloud services and the different types of clouds. I'll also tie all the concepts of this lesson together so that you have a well-rounded understanding of cloud computing and its benefits. It's probably no surprise to you when I say that Azure is Microsoft's cloud platform. But have you thought about what exactly is the cloud? Well, let's start with a computer, a single computer. Now, I would definitely not consider a single computer to be cloud computing, but what if I connect this computer to another computer? I still don't think we're there. So let's take it another step. What if we connect both of these computers to the internet? Now, you might be tempted to say that we're now using cloud computing, and we might be. However, simply connecting computers to the internet doesn't really equate to cloud computing. It's getting close, but there's more to it, much more, in fact. And as you'll see later, you can use the cloud without even connecting to the internet. Okay, so I said we're closer to understanding exactly what the cloud is, but we haven't defined it completely. And as it turns out, defining the cloud is more complicated than you might think it to be. However, as we progress through the rest of this lesson, you're going to learn about what the cloud is. And that's important because it'll help you understand how to choose the right cloud service and how to configure it properly for the greatest benefit. So let's keep going. Let's talk about the power of the cloud and some of the unique advantages that can complete our definition of cloud computing.